Hello, students. Suppose your teacher has asked you to present a project in the classroom. How will you present it? Using charts, using the blackboard, using maps or models, or using books and globes? You guessed it right. All or most of the options will be used to present the project. Now imagine if instead of all these options, you could present your project on a computer. Wouldn't that be awesome? On a computer, we have an application called Microsoft PowerPoint. This application allows us to present information in a variety of ways, including text, audio, video, animation, and graphics. So let's learn more about it in detail. In Microsoft PowerPoint, a presentation is a set of slides organized in a logical manner. Here the information is displayed along with the graphics, sound and animation. First, let's learn how to open PowerPoint. Click on the Start button. The Start menu appears. Click on Microsoft Office. Then click on Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. A slide is a page of PowerPoint presentation that contains a piece of information about the topic. Depending on the information, a PowerPoint presentation can have several slides. When you open Microsoft PowerPoint, you will see a blank presentation on the screen. By default, it is titled Presentation 1. Now let's understand the different components of PowerPoint. The first is the title bar, which is located at the top of the window. It shows the name of the file on which you are currently working. Next is the Quick Access toolbar. It contains the buttons for the most commonly used commands such as save, undo and redo. Then we have the ribbon, which is located just below the title bar. It contains several tabs. Each tab contains commands which are again divided into different groups that make our PowerPoint presentation look more attractive. Then we have the File tab. This tab allows us to create a new presentation, open an existing presentation and save, print, send or save the presentation. Then there are the minimize, maximize and close buttons. They are located at the top of the right corner of the window. As the name suggests, clicking on minimize will minimize the window and keep the presentation open as a small icon on the taskbar. Clicking on maximize will open the minimized presentation. Clicking on close will close the presentation. In case if you have not saved the presentation, a dialog box to save the presentation will appear. Then we have the slide tab or slide navigation pane. This tab displays all the slides in sequence. We can add, delete and reorder slides using this option. The outline tab displays the text content of each slide. We can edit the content directly in the outline tab. Next is slide area or pane. This is the section where the actual slide is created or edited. The notes pane is located below the slide area. It allows us to add notes for the presentation. Then we have slide view buttons. These buttons are used to view a document in various ways. The first view button displays the slide in normal view. The second view button displays the slide in the sorter view. The third view button displays the reader view. The fourth view button displays the slide in a slideshow view. Then we have the zoom slider, which is used to zoom in and zoom out the document. Information such as slide number and current themes can be seen through the status bar option. This is located at the bottom of the window. And lastly, we have the help icon that can be used to get PowerPoint related help anytime needed. So now that we have understood the different components of PowerPoint, let's try to create a presentation. First, click on the File tab, then select the New option. It opens the available templates and themes option. Double click on the blank presentation, then click on the Create button. After creating a new presentation, it is important to save the presentation with proper file name. First, click on File tab, then click on the Save option. Choose a name which you would like to save your file and save it. Suppose we wish to use the same file but want to save it in different location, then we can select Save as option and save it as per our requirement. Then the presentation file is saved with the .pptx extension. So that's it for this session. Thank you.